Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add blog posts to your Squarespace website. Let's get started. Once you are on the dashboard, you can see that there is a website option, and below it, Pages and Styles. You want to click Pages. After this, as you can see, you have the main navigation. You can actually add a new page option here. So you want to click on this plus sign. Once it's opened, you can see that under Collections, there is a blog option. So you want to click on that. Here you will see that you can add a blog, and there are many layouts to choose from. For example, let's choose this one. After that, it will take a little time to load. Now you can rename it if you want. Let's go back and click on this gear icon. Here you can do some general settings for your page. For example, you can change the title, enable or disable the page, and if you scroll down, you can give the page a password. In SEO, you can do the basic stuff. In social image, you can upload images. You can check all the other options here as well. I will just go back and click on this arrow icon, and you will be redirected. Now you can actually edit every single post here. So once you are here, you can click on the blog itself. For example, if I want to edit this, click on it. Now click on the edit icon in the top left. Now you can edit the text here. You can add a description, an image, for example, or embed a code with this one, or add a code like so. There are a lot of options. You can also add some integrations. That's how you can add a blog post to your Squarespace website. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.